What's going on, guys? Quick video. I'm going to show you exactly why you should be using 1688 and how important it could be to finding a really good price for you to buy your product and how to negotiate with suppliers just by using this website. So 1688, if you can kind of see similarities, it's basically the Chinese version of Alibaba. Everything from here is usually getting just shipped to and from China. So the reason why we want to be using this website is to not order off of this website, because obviously this is going to be very hard to navigate through if you do not know how to read Chinese text. But we are going to be figuring out what they are selling certain products on this site versus the prices they're selling on Alibaba. So being able to know this information, we're going to be able to figure out more room for negotiation, because we can figure out if they're selling it off of this site and profiting off of a certain price, and they're selling it off of this site for like way more, then obviously we know that there's a lot of room to negotiate with. So getting right into it, we'll type in mole remover pen. Now, this product is selling on Amazon fairly well right now. I do not recommend getting into it because it is a medical device and you need proper certifications and whatnot. But already eyeballing it, $5 to $8, 5 being the lowest. Obviously, to get to this price, we need to order a ton of quantity. 8 is looking like the price that we're going to be paying if we're getting 100 units and whatnot. So we have $1 to $8. We have another one, 8 to 12, 8 to 15, 5 to 8. Okay, so it looks like we're going to be paying $8 if we wanted to start order, and that's before shipping. Okay, so I'm going to go over to here. I'm going to type in mole remover pen, and so a lot of it's not going to come up because it's certain. See, okay, here comes a ton of them. All right. So let's look up here. Right here, this guy right here. It's 19 if you buy 10,000 or more. 29 if you buy 1 through 99. Okay, so that's more of our ballpark. So what we're gonna do is do a converter. I believe this is Chinese yuan is what it's pronounced as. If it's not, don't yell at me. But right here, what was it? 29, I believe. 29. Yep, 29. So 29 is gonna be $4.52. So what you have to kind of look at it as is that this price right here, basically think of this as $4.52. So that's almost 50% cheaper on 1688 than it is on Alibaba. Now, like I said, this isn't taking into effect the shipping cost and all that, and obviously you have to message with suppliers and get negotiating a little bit. But a kind of rule of thumb is that the majority of people on Alibaba are making 20% profit off of your purchase. So if you can negotiate that and get a little wiggle room and come out so they only get 10% profit, then the more power to you. I recommend doing that. But being able to cross-reference if you find a certain product, not just a mole remover pen. Let's say I find a blanket, and then I was able to find the same blanket on here being sourced for here for way cheaper. I can then feel more confident going into my negotiating with my seller to get a price that will be able to bring it down and have me get higher profits. Okay, so super short video. Any products that you start doing in the future, definitely start using this strategy to see what they're selling for directly in China, and then you can talk to your supplier and let them know that you've been quoted on so-and-so price and if they can match it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. Hope you all have an amazing day. Take care.